presentation now. Don't worry, I will not keep you long. I will make a 2-minute sum up, as I know we are already very tired. I will leave this slide on. I think it's one of the most important ones, just to appreciate all the people that have been working on in the diagnostics working group. I would like to also stress out how many countries have been involved, how many experts, how many disciplines. So we had surgeons, pulmonologists, radiologists, translational scientists. So please, when you see them in the hallway, talk to them. The power of your words is sometimes much stronger than our scientific ones. You have a wider outreach. We want to get the message out. I will focus on the perspectives as well. So what we want to do is initiate broader discussions concerning this matter. We need more research. We want to provide patient advocates. We want to provide the press, the patients, everyone in the research community with enough evidence-based data to provide some kind of guidelines for countries that intend to introduce screening programs, who should be screened, how, and what to do with the patients which have some kind of positive nodules. How do we do the follow-ups? How do we engage the government and everyone involved to make the process as most efficient as possible? So we know it will be difficult. You can see, as a preview, this presentation was very difficult to get up there, so you can see how the screening programs will have a problem by being implemented. But I think, as we did here, we are not going to give up. We are going to work on this matter. It will not happen today, but in 5 or 10 years, hopefully, in many countries of the world, it will be implemented. We need to reduce the mortality rates of lung cancer. We need to get the word out there that it is the #1 killer among cancers, although I think we are not talking about it enough. Stress out again, young female individuals. Think about their lives. Think about the people who could contribute to the society in financial and other ways. Think about populations at high risks who are not only involved in smoking. Air pollution was mentioned as well. So let's continue to work on the matter. Also, 1 minute to appreciate all the personnel that has been involved in this work with us, so the whole IASLC board and staff. I'd like to point out that Casey Connolly and Dr. Wines have been very patient with us. We are a large group of individual experts. Sometimes we can be very open-minded and demanding, but they have been very helpful to produce this data and for many other projects that we are working on. Also our chair, the chair of the whole committee, Dr. Stephen Lang, one of the most engaged chairs I have ever had the pleasure of working with. And please, for the end, reach out to us, we can provide you with the QR code and the link for the questionnaire. We would really like to gather as much data as possible. It will have a huge impact in the coming years. And I thank you for your patience.